Hey, welcome back everybody. So today we're going to be making a Spaghetti Cacio e Pepe, which is basically just cheese and black pepper, simple ingredients. So yeah, let's get started. Time to give it a taste. Spaghetti Cacio e Pepe. You can never go wrong with this. Delicious side dish to pair well with like a steak, which that's what I'm doing today. And let's just give it a try, see how it is. Oh, it's perfect. Just the right amount of black pepper. Get that little bit of spice to it. And the Pecorino cheese just blends together really well. Come up with that nice sauce. All right, thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and we'll see you in the next one.